Assalamualaikum, Hazrat. So the tree of zakum is the fruit of the sinful. Could you please explain what zakum is? Zakum.
Zakum, I say, fruit of the suicide. Well, the fruit of zakum found in Palestine is the most delicious fruit. And they eat plenty of it, don't they? Zakum. Samara zakum.
يقال لها الصبر أيضا.
Sabr. Is it delicious?
No.
Lazizun jiddan? No. So that fruit is also very delicious here. And those who are given that fruit in the hell, I don't know how they will taste. Only it's a symbolic language, in fact. The fact is that the food is the product of the desert. And it is a product which flourish in the extreme conditions where there is no water and no light. So those people who are without this water from Allah, that is the heavenly water of religion, and they flourish in the desert conditions as far as the religion goes. Their fruit would also be something taking root in the desert. And in the hell, they will find such fruits as are without water, because as they themselves were without the water of Allah, so their fruits would also be. That is one thing which can be explained in this regard, but this should be further investigated. Now,